I received a new electric melting furnace to create my very own silver pours, and we're giving one away. What's up, you guys? It's Ocean here. I just received this 3 kilo electric melting furnace from ToAuto. I'm going to show you the unboxing. We'll take a look at their website, and I'm going to test this thing out myself to see how it runs. Then I'm going to tell you how you can get one of these for free. That's right, we're giving one of these away to one of my subscribers, so stay tuned for that. So before going out to test it, let's get into the unboxing. Thick cardboard, and it's full of all kinds of stuff. Looks like it came with the whole kit with gloves and everything. Very cool. The red gloves, the owner's manual, instructions, power cord, the crucible tool, and these are going to be the crucibles. Looks like we have two different sizes. This is a graphite mold. 1 kilo crucible. And then this one will be 3 kilos. That's going to hold a lot of weight. And it's a good quality crucible too. Looks like a little mold. Do some different rounds and small bars in here. Wow, this is a big furnace. Check this out. This thing is nice. Okay, here I have the furnace on the desk. Overall, the packaging was very nicely done. See, it's all wrapped in plastic. Here's the inside. It says 110 volt right there. If you're in the US, make sure you get 110 volt if that's an option. So the crucible will go in here, and overall pouring is very easy. These furnaces are, there's different ones, but they're all very similar. But you need to make sure you take safety precautions when melting metal. So that means wearing the gloves that are provided, wearing some type of eye safety equipment, like glasses or safety glasses. That's very important. And keep in mind that the graphite molds, after you pour into them, are very hot. You will get burned if you grab them. And there's no real indication that they're hot because they don't glow like the crucible. But if you grab them without gloves, you will get burned. So let's take this outside and fire it up. Okay, I'm out here with my ToAuto furnace. I have it all plugged in. See, this is my old furnace. This is what happens if you run it longer than 3 hours. The screen melted a little bit. It's still fully functional, but just be sure to take a break every 3 hours if you're running it continuously. So let's go ahead and turn this on and see how long it takes to warm up. So we'll turn it on, and then we'll set it. This is the temperature setting, so we'll move over to these digits. I like to set it to about, I set it to 1100 degrees. And because I'm moving the crucible in and out, it never actually gets that high. But I normally set it to 1100. This is only about a minute, maybe 2 minutes later, and see, it's already up to 150 degrees and climbing. So we'll continue to wait it out and see how long it takes. It only took a little bit over 20 minutes to heat up. That was actually pretty quick. We're back. I was actually impressed with the quality of this furnace. I noticed that it heated up a little bit faster than my old furnace. So if I had to purchase a new melting furnace today, I would go with the ToAuto. Let's take a look at their website. ToAuto Tool is their direct website. They also sell on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. They have some propane furnace options. Here's the one I have. It fills a 3 kilo crucible and a 1 kilo crucible. It's a kit that comes with everything I showed earlier. It's actually on sale right now, so you can compare the Amazon price to the price on their website if you're thinking about this furnace. 30-day guarantee, 1-year quality assurance. They have all the specs written in here. You can read through that if you want. 1100 degrees Celsius maximum temperature. You can melt silver and copper with this, gold, and even aluminum. So a lot more detail on the website. I'm not going to read through all this. You all want to see what I poured, and you want to know how to enter the giveaway. This is my first pour of 2023. Nice ripples on the piece. I stamped it in the center. And I had an idea to create some sort of privy mark on some of my pours to signify rarity, something out of the ordinary. And what I came up with is this rare dolphin. So it's a special piece. 3.5 troy ounces. You can see I'm still working on my stamping. I initially stamped the 3 in reverse, but I just kept going. 3/9 silver, first 2023 pour. And this is the first appearance of the rare dolphin. I'm happy with how this piece turned out. It has a lot of character. ToAuto has agreed to give away a furnace to one of my subscribers. So to enter the contest, make sure you're subscribed, hit the like button. And the way we're going to do this is now through the end of February, I'm going to ask a big question in each of my videos. Put an answer to the big question in the comment section to enter. Here's this video's big question. Have you ever wanted to try pouring silver? Let me know, or if you've done it before, put that in a comment. ToAuto will ship the winner a furnace directly, US, Canada, and Mexico adults only, and at the end of February I'll pick a video, then a qualifying comment will be chosen using the random comment picker. Check out ToAuto on Instagram at ToAuto Tool, and they're on Facebook at ToAuto Metal Studio. Stack white as the ocean.